When you think you have woken up early, some people are some people are earlier than you. Good morning. So how are you today? On today's episode of Staying Healthy with Chels. How does that sound? Beautiful, right? Stay with me. We're here again, and today it's official. We are back on our 5 a.m. adventure. So I bring the children to practice their swimming every morning. See, with this practice, I'm helping them to develop so many skills. And the most exciting skill, aside from learning how to swim, that has helped me is my daughter waking up early. It used to take me 1 hour to wake my daughter, but now, guys, once I touch her, she's awake. As in, it's a big win for me. So stay with me on this journey of fitness along. So, like I said, some people are already here playing tennis. When you think you are up very early, some people came earlier than you. Yes. So yes, we're finally here. We're here at the swimming section. This is the children's playground, and this is the swimming section. When we get here, we don't do shoes. So first of all, we remove our shoes. Yeah, and tuck it in. Then we head on. It's written clearly here. So yes, I came here to drop the children's clothes. I always get ready. During those, why I started dropping their clothes while they're swimming, during those days that it will be raining, I will usually, it means that I will now be running with their clothes under the rain. So I developed the strategy of, as soon as we come to the pool, I drop their clothes here. Then when they finally get here, I try to arrange it for them while they're having their bath. Right? So stay with me on this journey. And guess what? I don't just stay. I go to the gym. There's a gym. So come with me to the gym section. See you soon. So yes, I'm done with settling them in, and it's time for me to head over to the gym. You know, that's why I like this villa. So yes, good morning. Here squash and gym section. See you. Yep.
You mustn't touch the floor. You mustn't touch the floor.
If you don't come to the gym, if you don't work out, you have dead already. I'm serious, my goodness. So I'm done at the gym and I'm going to pick the children. I got the best stretch of my life. My goodness, it was beautiful. If you're not working out, you're missing. Then if you're not stretching or you've not gotten a stretch or a massage before, my goodness, you're missing, baby. So at this point, we're done for the day. You can see everybody is dressed for school and we're heading home. Let me be kissed by the sun. Someone move. So we are heading home. Are we heading home? We're heading to school. So that's the beauty of it. We have started our day. I've done my exercise as well. So while I'm pouring into the children, I'm also pouring into myself. And as a mother, please endeavor to fill your cup always, because you can't pour from an empty cup. Trust me. Yes, you can't pour from an empty cup. So yes, see, it's called everybody's playing right now. The day is daying already. So see you. We're off to start our business. When you think you have woken up early, some people are earlier than you. Good morning. So how are you today? On today's episode of Staying Healthy with Chels. How does that sound? Beautiful, right? Stay with me. We're here again, and today it's official. We are back on our 5 a.m. adventure. So I bring the children to practice their swimming every morning. See, with this practice, I'm helping them to develop so many skills. And the most exciting skill, aside from learning how to swim, that has helped me is my daughter waking up early. It used to take me 1 hour to wake my daughter, but now, guys, once I taught her, she's awake. As in, it's a big win for me. So stay with me on this journey of fitness along. So, like I said, some people are already here playing tennis. When you think you are up very early, some people came earlier than you. Yes. At this point, I'm at the car wash. I need to baby. I need to send my baby to the car. But I don't know what's happening today, because Total Filling Station has, if you see the queue, oh my goodness, I can't tell, because there are no queue in other stations. I wonder why this. But at this point, let me take a walk. Usually when I come to vacuum my car, I do this every week. When I come to vacuum my car, I take a walk inside Shoprite and window shopping and some inspiration. My day is long today. I hope to get around. See you soon. So the information getting to me now is that the queue, if you join me on this journey, you will notice the queue. In fact, some people are even fighting inside the station. Getting to me is that the tankers that supply fuel to the fuel stations were hijacked, or I don't know the English we should use this morning, were stopped from supplying because they were packed in the wrong places by LASMA. So that's what's causing the queue in the fuel stations. So this is Total Filling Station. This is the queue on Total Filling Station, Lekki area Shoprite, my dear. The queue is all the way, but we gotta do what we gotta do. whether queue or no queue, we'll be alright. Those trucks that were seized will still be released and we'll get fuel in Lagos. These days, nothing shakes us, right? They shouldn't shake us. So as usual, like I come to Shoprite each time I take my car for cleaning or vacuuming at Total filling station. Those people are my go-to because they give me. So I'm here now. I'm going to take a walk. I'm going to chill. There's this cafe that I like to chill at. I'm going to chill and do some work. I have a long day today. A really long day. Come with me. The full episode will be up on my YouTube channel. You know how we do this. I hope you're supporting me already. If you're not supporting me, but why? But why? Help us to get to permanent site. See you. It's been long I visited Shoprite. You guys know that it's Shoprite that started modern trade, right? And I think I've done a video about it before. I've spoken about it before. But here I am. I'm at shop. I saw one big, massive mango. My goodness. I'm tempted to buy, but on a second thought, I don't think I can deal. My goodness. See guys, see cauliflower. Is this 9,000 I'm seeing? My goodness. These things are expensive. You see why I went to Mile 12 the other day. Good. I know if I buy body, I'm going to buy body. So I'm now torn in between getting this and getting body cup for her. She loves to carry bottles to school because she doesn't like to drink water to school. So now I'm trying to get a bigger bottle for her. It just occurred to me that his birthday is coming soon and I need to get party packs for him, but because I've really not done any party for every day. So this year we're gonna celebrate. We're gonna celebrate. Nothing is stopping us celebrate this boy as my super boy. We're going to celebrate him. So I'm here searching for ideas for party pack. And he said he wants a rainbow cake. So we need to get him something in that neighborhood and colorful for his friend. Maybe I should just do his age mates because I can't deal with bigger children. You know that kind of a thing. So I'm looking around. I'm looking for inspiration for a birthday boy turning 4. A birthday boy turning 4 needs an inspiration. It won't be bad for a party pack, it will be part of the party pack. I'm tired of them already. They are insisting that I must go to the open market because they do mainly girls. Barbie everywhere. Barbie. I'm so upset right now. Why will I go to the market when I have a modern market? Open market when I have a modern market here. It's not nice. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Finally done. I selected this bottle for my daughter, this for my son, and this for my little girl. So let's pay up, pay up, pay up, pay up, pay up, pay up, pay up. In this life, don't be too serious. Sometimes dance, whether you're inside or outside.